We are pleased to show you the 2020 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power moonroof, speed control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.